Alright guys, welcome back to the channel, and today we are taking off the front bumper and these tow hooks, or tow points I should say, to put on a trailer hitch. So 15 on these 3 bolts that's holding this. Then I gotta get my cherry picker and lift the front end off a little bit just to unbolt those to have some less pressure. So we'll see you in a minute. Alright guys, so I'm just taking these 15mm bolts off from the tow hook point relocation for the like a front brush guard off my truck. And I'm getting ready to hook the cherry picker up to here, and I still gotta figure out how to exactly unbolt what bolts need to come off so I can take the bumper off, and I'll show you guys what size you guys will need for the bolts too. Alright guys, so I'm back. So I ended up taking out this relocation bracket for the tow hook or tow point. So 3 bolts. Usually they would have like a factory mounted thing, but since this is aftermarket, they had some aftermarket brackets, but this one is already ready. I just gotta take these off. My bolts was 5/8 or 16mm. So I'm gonna do that side, and this is how I got mine rigged up with the cherry picker, and that's all I'm using to take this off, so I'm not having to hold it by myself. Alright guys, so got the brackets off and now it's loose. Just gonna pull it backwards now. I don't think there's, I just gotta double check and make sure there ain't nothing holding it up. Maybe drop it down a little bit and just see if there's anything hanging up. Oh, I know what's holding it up. It's a stupid mud flap thing. This stupid rubber piece. I'll take that off real quick and catch up in a minute. And also, my bumper bolts, these ones right here, these are 18mm. So if anybody needed to know what size they are, that's those, 18. Alright guys, so just gotta lift this bumper up now. I think I got one more holding it on. I'm just gonna cut that off real quick right there. Alright guys, so put this on. It has to be adjusted over more to the left or right, my side, but it's a pain in the butt. You have to drill the 4 holes out. They say the 5/8 size, and so this bumper and that hitch is adjustable. It slots just like this, so you just line up as you can. But yeah, alright guys, so it was a pain in the ass using this and trying to get this up enough, but it kept wanting to dip forward on the front or the top. So I got all of them in except one. I got this one slightly drilled out a hair down to the right, so it needs to be one day rounded back out or drilled out more right here in the center. But that's what it is. I'm just putting on my tow hooks. This kit that I got, the size bolts are 18. The new grade, or the new ones, so there's 4 of them. So size 18, I recommend using an impact 1/2 inch. So yeah, it has 2 adjustables, one for a smaller pin and one for a bigger pin. And the brace, it does go up like this. If you have it the other way, it won't sit on the bumper or the frame correctly. So mine goes up, braced up on the top. But thanks for watching, and we'll catch you on the next one.